Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What do you call it when a tired dad makes a pizza? A Papa John's pizza. Where do pepperonis go on vacation? The Leaning Tower of Pizza. What do anteaters like on pizza? Anchovies. Have you heard of the new pizza slogan? 7 days without pizza makes 1 week. What happens to pizza? It's here today, gone tomato. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to see what kind of weirdness we come up with.